Hello everyone watching this video. Today we are going to discuss how to find the square root of a number in decimal form. Any number that is given in decimal form, how to find the square root of the given number. Over here I have taken a question, find the square root of 150.0625. So we'll use the long division method to find the square root. Now before using the long division method, there are few things that you should know. Over here, as you can see, is our decimal point. At this place we have our decimal point. This is the whole number part and this is our decimal part. Along the whole number part we make pairs from the right hand side, from this side, the right end part. So we'll make pairs from the right part, that is these two digits will form one pair and this digit will be single. So whole number part from the right side, and in the decimal part we will make pairs from the left side, so these two digits will form one pair and these two digits will form another pair. Now let us start using our long division method. So as you can see, the first digit is 1, no one with it, so it will go by 1. 1 will give you 1, remainder 0. Now I am not writing the hints over here. So double of 1 will give you 2. This 50 will come down. Now we have to use the same number here and over here. So let us try by 21 ones will give you 21 and 22 twos will give you 44. So it is more nearer. So 22 twos will give you 44. As I said before, you have to be very precise with the long division method. If you haven't followed the long division method, go and watch my previous videos, then you try this question. So 22 twos are 44, remainder 6. Now as you can see, we have arrived at the decimal place. There is a decimal after this two digits, so we'll put a decimal point over here. At this place we'll put a decimal point and the next two digits will come down, that is 0, 6. Now in the second step I have used this 2, so I will double this 2 that I have used. 2 was already there, double of this 2 will give you 4 and a space blank here and over here. We'll fill up with the same numbers and then multiply. So just see, 241 into 1 will give you 241 and 242 into 2 will give you 484. And 245 into 5 will give you a number greater than this. So I will take 242 multiplied with 2. So 242 multiplied with 2 will give you 484. Now subtract it. You will get 2, 2 and 1 over here. And now the next two pairs will come down. Next pair will come down, it is 25. Now I have used a 2 over here, so I will double this 2 will give me 4. This 4 will come down as it is, this 2 will come down as it is. Now suppose in case there was an 8 over here. Suppose in case there was an 8 over here, I would have doubled it, so 8 plus 8 would have given me 16, so I would have written 6 over here and carried 1 over here. So remember this. 244, a place blank here, over here same. By which number it will go, we'll check. As you can see, there is a 5 at the end, so I'm absolutely sure that there will be a 5 multiplied with 5, because 5 5s are, you will get 25. Okay, at the units place you will get 5. So 2445 multiplied with 5, just check, 2445 multiplied with 5 will give you, that is 5 plus the 25, carry 2, 2, 10 plus 12. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, the same number that we have over here. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 5 and remainder is 0. So our final answer will be, so under root of 150.0625 will be equal to 12.25. This will be your answer. Now suppose a number is given to you like this. Example, this is 2. Say find the square root of 0.00053331. So what you will do, you will follow the same process and find the square root of this number. While finding the square root, same method we are going to follow. Make pairs, the whole number part from the right, the decimal number part from the left. So this will form a single digit pair. Over here, this 2 zeros, 053361. Now let us start. We'll get 0, 0 is a 0, and then these 2 zeros will come down. Again 0, 0 is a decimal we have crossed, so we will put a decimal over here. 0, 0 is again a 0. Now the important thing is that for these 2 zeros I will place a single 0, not 2 zeros over here. Okay, so 0, 0 is a 0, because 0 into multiplied with 0, you put as many zeros, no problem in that. Now the next digit will be 0, 5. Double of this 0 will give you how much? 0. Now there is a 5 over here, so I have to select a number such that whose square is less than 5. So 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So I have to use 2 2s are 4, and remainder 1, and the next 2 pairs will follow, and we will continue this process until unless we arrive at a definite answer. Try this by yourself. Thank you.